Write a program to convert 2-digit BCD number stored at memory location 2400H into its binary equivalent and store the binary value in memory location 2401H. Here BCD number is there. In BCD number, the digit A to F are not present. Here, for example, suppose at memory 2400, the number 37 is there. How we have to convert the number in terms of binary form? What is the logic? First, separate the two nibbles, two digits. Here 7 gets separated and 3 gets separated. Here it may be called as least significant digit, the digit at unit place, and the most significant digit, the digit at tens place. First, separate the two digits, the digit at unit place and the digit at 10 place. Whatever the digit at 10 place, it gets multiplied by 10, that means it gets multiplied by A. Whatever answer you will get, in that you have to add the digit at unit place. And whatever result you will get, that result is its binary equivalent, and that is to be stored in the consecutive memory location. Again I repeat, separate the digit. Least significant digit, it may be called as digit at unit place. Most significant digit, it is called as digit at tens place. That digit is to be multiplied by 10, that means multiplied by A. Whatever answer you will get, in that answer you have to add the digit at unit place, and this final value is called as equivalent in terms of binary, and it is to be stored in next consecutive memory location. Now once you know the logic, the program is very easy. Alexa H2400H. HL is having value 2400. Transfer this number M to A and M to B, that means this number is taken to accumulator as well as this number is taken to register B. Accumulator and register B. Already this part is explained to you when you perform the AND operation with 0F. Here you will get least significant digit as it is, and at most significant digit place you will get 0. Store this to any one of the general purpose registers. This is transferred to register C. Then again bring the original number to the accumulator. When you rotate it 4 times, that is RRC or RLC, after executing 4 times RRC or RLC, the digit position get exchanged. Again the same logic is applied. Least significant digit is required as it is from number 73 in this case. Therefore A and I with 0F, you will get here 3. Shift this 3 to any one of the general purpose register. It is transferred to, it is shifted to register D. Now this 3 is to be multiplied by A. All arithmetical and logical operation takes place in accumulator. So first initialize accumulator to 00 with XRAA. This 3 is multiplied by 10, that means A. Therefore ADI 0A. You will get answer 0A. Decrement D, 2 is remaining, that means still you have to add 10 2 times. This is not 0, then go to the instruction labeled add up, add 0A plus 0A, you will get answer 14. decrement D, here you will get answer 0, 1. It is not 0, again go to the instruction labeled at up. ADI 0A, you will get the answer 1E. Decrement D, you will get the answer 0, 0. That means here 0A is added 3 times. First time it gets added, then decrement D. Second time it gets added, then decrement D. Third time it gets added, then decrement D. It becomes 0, 0. Whatever answer you will get, in that you have to add the 0, 7. That means unit place value. It is in register C. Therefore, add C. 1E plus the value in register C is 0, 7. You will get answer 25. INX H, here HL gets incremented by 1. It becomes 2401. It becomes 2401. And move contents of accumulator to memory. Memory means HL gives the memory. Go to that memory and store the content of accumulator. 25 is stored in that memory location. This is all about the program. Now we have to execute this program. Here is the program to convert BCD to binary. We will execute it step by step. First step, all the contents become 0. PC 2000, program starts from 2000. HL becomes 2400. Bring the number to accumulator and bring the number to register B. Separate the take the least significant digit only with the help of ANI0F. Store this to the register C. Next, move B to A. Original number is brought to accumulator 4 times RRC. You will get digit position exchange. Again ANI0F, you will get 3. Store this 3 to register D. Now this 3 is to be multiplied by 10. But before that the content of accumulator should be 0. Multiplied by 10, that means add immediate A. Decrement D, 1 times addition takes place, therefore D decrements by 2. It is not 0, again add 10, you will get 14. Decrement D, it becomes 1, again add 10, it becomes 1E. Decrement D, it becomes 0. Jump not 0, then up. Otherwise, next instruction, add C, content of C added. After adding the content of C, result becomes 1E. INX H, it becomes 2401. It becomes 2401. And the number from accumulator goes to memory. Here I am showing it goes to the memory. Number from accumulator, it goes to the memory. Here you will get the answer. Now same program we can execute with a different kit. Here you will get the different kit, different type of kit. Already the program is entered, only we have to check the contents. Program is entered from memory location 2000. Number is there at memory location 2400, that is 37. This is the number that is to be converted. So we have to execute the program. Reset, go 2000 and execute the program. Check the result at 2401. Reset, set memory 2400, the number 37 and its equivalent 25. We can check the contents of different registers here, or register can be checked from here. in register A25, register B, C, D, E, H, L, memory, stack pointer and program counter. Program end at 201A. Here also we can get the contents of memory. Here 37 is there and its equivalent in binary 25 to the next consecutive memory location.